Yes sir, Rise and Grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. This video we got a 2011 Nissan Rogue, and we're changing the transmission fluid, filter, and gasket. This is the transmission fluid for this particular vehicle. CVT, got it from the dealership, Nissan dealership. So I want to make sure you got the right kind in there. Don't want to mess up this transmission. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, first we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tabs. These come out. That pop right out. These right here, 1 and 2 at that end, they look like that. Alright. Got our filter. I got it from AutoZone. And a part number. Alright, we get up under here. I got it jacked up. Really don't have it off the ground, but enough to get it up so I can get up under here. And the transmission pan is right here. As you can see, we have 10mm bolts going all the way around. So we're going to get those out. But first, we got a drain plug. Hit that, get that fluid out. Alright, as soon as you break that free, fluid comes out. Drain pan, catch the fluid. Let that drain. It's supposed to be a 5-quart fill. Alright, we go ahead and put that drain plug back in. And what we want to do is get the pan down. 10mm bolts. Alright, we got our bolts out, except for one. Left one up here. And this back is basically coming down and more fluid came out. So make sure you catch that. And now we're going to go ahead and take out that last one. Alright, just like that. Got our old gasket on there. I'll put a new one on. Put up in here. Filter. Looks like we got a couple bolts holding the filter in. 1, 2, 3. 10mm. Alright, so what we're going to do now is clean it. Some brake cleaner. Clean the magnets. And this gasket is actually the hard type. It's like reusable. It's actually better than the rubber. Really don't even want to put the rubber one on there, so I'm gonna go back with the stock one. Alright, we got those 3 bolts out, 10mm, 2 of them short and 1 of them long. That middle one is long, so make sure you put it back in the right way. Now we can get this filter out. So you just pop it right out. You got a tug on it because that gasket is what holds it in. Alright, that's the old one and the new one. Alright, reinstall. Push that up in there. And now we can put our bolts back in. Bolts in. And you can see all the gunk on it. It's still inside. The magnet's supposed to catch all that. So I'm gonna clean this off before I put the pan back on. But the whole purpose of this drain and fill is to put new fluid in it. Get some new fluid in it and a new filter, clean fluid, new filter, and hoping this torque converter code will go away. All right, we got our pan clean, magnets free of debris, metal shavings, and we're going back in. Same gasket. Alright, best way to get this in here, make sure you put all the bolts in, finger tight. You can see it's not tight. Once all the bolts are in, finger tight, you want to go ahead and tighten them down. I'll put the torque spec down there. Alright, we in there. All our bolts tightened down. Spray it down with some brake cleaner, get some of this off there. Fluid. Now we're gonna go up top and fill it up. Alright, we get our dipstick. That off. Add our funnel and pour our fluid in. Alright, when you're done filling, you want to go ahead and check your level, make sure it's topped off, and you are good to go.